All right, let me make sure we got the right angle here. Very good. All right, we're back. Today's video, we're going to be swapping out this points / timer cover. They have different names for it. So this is quick and easy. Actually, a little bit loose there too, isn't it? Look at that. I'm curious if they put any Loctite on it. So this is just a quick 5-minute, if that, swap out. Should not take long at all. All right, get rid of some more Willie G stuff, is what we're after. Okay, had that factory Loctite on, and maybe they didn't have it tightened all the way down. Quite possible. All right, so again, it's a Willie G coming off, and we're going back to a similar stock style. Because like I said, I'm not a big fan of the skull, so just want to show you guys, this is what I ended up doing with the timer cover. Remember, I just wanted to put a little color just to set it off a little bit. So I actually think that's going to look pretty good on there. So what we're going to do is let that sit there. Let me get some Loctite. You guys know you got to have Loctite. It's a Harley. All right, let's see. Just some blue. As the old saying goes, a little dab will do ya. Doesn't take much. And we're going to put just a little drop on each screw. And they are... torque setting on this is not very high. It's 15 to 20 inch-pounds. Come on. What is that end clogged up? Looks like it's clogged up on me. Yeah, that's clogged up. All right, bear with me for a second here. It dried in the tube is what it did. See if we can open the hole up a little bit. Can't even see it. My old eyes don't want to focus here. There we go. That got it. All right, it's open now. Now, again, just a little bit of a drop is all we really need. If it would flow, it would be nice. Whoa, there we go. Okay. Just a dab. There we go. See, just a little bit. That's all you need. Doesn't take much. And again, you start them by hand. You don't want to cross thread them. As I always tell you guys, don't ever, just want to make sure. Don't want to take any chances. These things are very easily cross-threaded, especially these small ones. This is actually a T15. That's how small that is. So what we're going to do is go in by hand. And like I said, there is a torque setting. It's 15 to 20 inch-pounds, but I don't know if I'm even going to bother with that. I think I'm just going to snug it and let the Loctite do its thing. Okay? So we'll run that in. Run this one in. Trying to go even. Not that I don't think it really matters much. Yeah, that's not loose now. I never noticed that was loose. Very strange. And that's it. Just to snug. That's all it needs. And that's the extent of it. So that's how quick and easy it is to change out your timing cover. They call it a timing cover. They call it a points cover. In the old days, I guess the points were over here. I never owned a Harley with points. So, but again, that's the extent of how easy it is to change it out. You see, 5-minute job. Probably 3 minutes if the Loctite was flowing, but it is a little cold here in New Jersey today. Been cold the last few days. So, all right, well, with that said, as always, thanks for watching. And please don't forget to hit like and subscribe. This is acrylic, black, orange, and then I put 2 light coats of clear over it. So that should hold up for quite a while. I'm not the best painter, but as you can see, it doesn't look too bad. And if you're interested in buying a Willie G points cover, hit me up. You know where I'm located in New Jersey. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video.